Hello everyone, quick video here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get an invisible name on Discord. Alright, well, the first thing you need to do here is to go ahead and open up your Discord app. It could be on your phone or your computer. Alright, now once you're in here, you're going to want to go ahead and click on your profile and then simply hit on edit profile. Alright, once done, you're going to want to go ahead and copy the blank text in the description. And what you're going to do is copy that and right click on the display name. Delete everything. All right, if you have one right here, right click on it, hit on paste, delete these ones right here, the parentheses, delete, and just hit on save. All right, as you can see here, I have no display name. When I click on escape, my display name is not visible anymore. That's basically how you do it. I hope this video helps them. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.